Let's check all of the accessories that comes with a Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. So I'm gonna open the box on the back right here. As you can see, it's brand new and it's still sealed. And first thing we'll see is a cardboard that probably contains all of the instructions, warranties, and the SIM ejection tool. We should also be able to find the cable inside, so let's check it out. And yep, as predicted, there's all of the instructions, and also we get a cable which is USB-C to USB-C. So if you're planning on buying a charger, I would recommend to buy USB-C charger. Then there's the phone itself, so to safely remove it, we can flip it like that. And then there's no case coming along with it. Let's check if there's screen protection. And I'm just looking at by myself, and nope, there's no screen protection coming along with this device. By the way, it's the European version, or worldwide version actually. Now we also can cover a charger, I hope. Yep, the charger should be 45 watts if you want to utilize a full power for charging. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.